Yeah, just got to get it near his mouth so he tries it.
Here. What do you think about that?
You gonna eat that or not?
Can't
You like it? Like he's pulling the spoon into his mouth as hard as possible.
Well, I think it's great.
You want more?
He wants. Looks like he likes it.
Theo, that's great.
You've been starving him his whole life.
And look at him.
Look up, look up.
What are you trying to see, Vi? You want to sit on Papa so you have a closer view?
see?
Yeah, I'm gonna sit here.
Look up, look up.
Can I see the yellow
You should have put a bib on him.
Oh, she wants to see the banana with Luca. Well,
There we go, there we go. I got the light finally.
wait a sec, Vi, because Uncle Jamie's busy
Yeah.
holding it.
How is that? What do you think?
Put
Good
it
job.
up.
Did you think this baby wasn't going to like food? Look at him. Look at him. He's sitting up straight.
How much did he have left?